Hi, this is Sarah. We're here in my kitchen. Welcome to my kitchen. We're here today to make loaded Blondie bars. And since it's just about Halloween, I thought I'd make a Halloween version. So I found these great Halloween Oreo cookies. And let's get started. I'm really excited to cook with you today. First off, we need to take a 9 by 13 pan and grease it. So go ahead and preheat your oven. While our ovens are preheating, we can go ahead and cut up 2 sticks of butter. So I'm going to go ahead and cube the butter and put it in a large bowl that goes into the microwave. My preferred way of measuring flour is to spoon it in. And once it gets to the top, level it off with the back of a butter knife. So 2 cups of flour measured out. To that, we're going to be adding baking soda. I have a 3/4 measuring teaspoon. You can use a 1/4 teaspoon and do it 3 times. So I've measured it and leveled it off. Then I'm going to be using a whisk. This is a whisk to whisk that all together. And if you haven't cracked an egg before, I do recommend using a small bowl to crack into. And check that little bowl to see if there's any egg shell in there. And if they're not, you're good to go. Pour it in the larger bowl. We're going to be adding to the eggs 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Mixing together the eggs and the vanilla. Another step we have to get ready is our Oreos. We need to crush them, 15 or so. I'm going to go ahead and crush them pretty well. I've got my Oreos crushed. I've got my butter melted, my eggs ready, and my flour ready. I'm taking my butter back again to add to it. I'm adding 1 3/4 cup of brown sugar and mix it with my whisk. This is a fun recipe because it doesn't really require much kitchen equipment. Really, anyone can do this. Next step is adding the eggs. So I'm adding in the eggs and whisking that together. Next step, we add the flour and baking soda mixture to the butter mixture. So to these bars, you could add a lot of different things. I'm doing Oreos and M&Ms. You could also add in chocolate chips. These could you add in? Really, it's Halloween. You could add any candies in. So we'll make it simple. Go with fun colored M&Ms and Oreos for today. So my flour is just mixed in. There's no more little bits of white pieces. And then I'm going to add in, I'll add in a 1/2 cup of M&Ms, and then I'll add more to the top. M&Ms. Oh, this looks so fun. And I just simply mix it all together. And then I'm going to pour it into the pan that I prepared earlier. Take my spatula and spread it out so it's even across the pan. This is where I load it up. I'm loading up my M&Ms. And I'll add a few Oreos just to make it look super fun and festive. Into the oven for 28 minutes. Taking my bars out of the oven. They are all done. Take a look. I'm going to put them on a wire rack to cool. The tops are all nice and golden on my Blondies, and the mix-ins are so Halloweeny. They look really fun and festive.